What's going on, guys? Welcome to my crib. Come on in. Oh, wait, hold on. Put the hard hat on first. All right, so now that you got your hard hat on, let's go for the tour. Where are we at? What stage are we in? Okay, so obviously we're done with demolition, and now we're working on the plumbing. As you can see here along this back wall, this is gonna be a lot of our bathrooms. So all of our bathrooms are kind of strategically placed near where all of the activities are going on to make it easy to help people in and out of the restroom and to make it more efficient for our team as they help all of our members. So come on over here. We ran some plumbing through here. Next week, we got the concrete guy coming out. He's gonna be pouring footers and helping to put some of the exterior walls back. And then we're gonna have the structural engineer, and then we're gonna have framing to start putting this bad boy back together. So over here, you're gonna see other plumbing. We have plumbing for our nurses station. We have a couple other bathrooms over here. We also have a utility room that's gonna go in with a laundry and a dryer and all that good stuff, a little laundry area. And then on this side here, we have all of our plumbing for the kitchen, so the High Tide Bar and Grill can make some amazing meals. So now let's go over to our franchise support center. I'll show you what we got going on over there. All right, guys, so this drain line right here, this is gonna be for our Ocean Blue Salon and Spa, which is gonna be against this wall and provide all the hair and nail services for all of our members so they can look fresh. We're gonna keep them looking fresh. And then on this side, this is our support center. And you'll see over here, we're adding, we figured, it might make sense for our administrative team and our support team and all of our office function, we should probably give them a bathroom. I mean, that's the right thing to do, right? So anyways, we got bathrooms over here, and then this is gonna be our conference room on this side. So what we've done is, there's bathrooms, and then there's gonna be piping on this side. And then over here, we're gonna have our little mini kitchen / break room, which is gonna be an area, so whether we're in training or whether we're having our franchise partners come down for their initial discovery day or their initial training, we'll have a conference room in an area that we can cater meals into, so it'll make it real nice for them. So guys, we're at this stage of development now. Plumbing, at least the drain lines for plumbing are done. Now we're gonna put the exterior walls back and then support this roof and turn it into one big space, get rid of those poles in the middle, and then we're gonna start putting the walls together. So it's coming along 1 week at a time.